Yellow leaves, weak growth, thin, fading stems. Your houseplant is screaming for help. This is not random. This is nitrogen deficiency. And the fix? It's not a chemical fertilizer. It's right in your kitchen, your used coffee grounds. Stay with me, because in the next 3 minutes, you'll learn exactly how coffee grounds can bring your plant back to life. Entry, welcome to Nature Plus, where science meets simple, natural solutions. Today, we're tackling nitrogen deficiency, one of the most common and most frustrating problems plant lovers face, and we're solving it using nothing but coffee grounds. But first, how do you even know it's nitrogen deficiency? Look closely because the symptoms are very specific. It always starts at the bottom of the plant, the oldest, lowest leaves. They turn pale green, then yellow. New leaves at the top, still green for now. But growth slows, stems turn thin, weak, fragile. And those yellow leaves, they start falling early. Why? Because nitrogen is a mobile nutrient. The plant steals it from old leaves just to keep the new ones alive. It's a survival mode. And now you know the warning signs. Here's the good news. Coffee grounds are loaded with nitrogen, about 2% nitrogen to be exact. They also boost soil structure and feed the beneficial microbes your plant depends on. It's natural, it's sustainable, it's simple, but only if you use it the right way. Stop right there because this part matters. Coffee grounds are slightly acidic. That's perfect for acid-loving plants like peace lilies, ferns, pothos, and African violets. But if you're growing succulents, cacti, or snake plants, hold on. They hate acidity. Either skip this method or compost the grounds first to neutralize the pH. Now, here's how to use coffee grounds safely and correctly. Method 1. Mix it into the soil. Dry the grounds completely. Then mix 1 tablespoon per small pot, or roughly 10 to 20% of the soil. Method 2. Liquid fertilizer, what I call coffee tea. Add 2 tablespoons of used grounds into 1 liter of water. Let it steep overnight. Strain it, then water your plant with this nitrogen-rich brew. Method 3. Surface top dressing. Sprinkle a super thin layer, just 1 to 2 millimeters, on top of the soil. No more. Then gently rake it in. And remember, this is crucial. Never overload the soil with coffee. Thick layers will suffocate roots, block air, attract mold, and do way more harm than good. Now look at this. 3 weeks later, the yellow is gone, the deep green is back, growth has exploded, and the plant is thriving. No chemicals, no synthetic fertilizers, just coffee grounds. If this tip saved your plant, do me a favor. Hit subscribe, smash that like button, and share this video with every plant lover you know. Drop your questions in the comments. I answer every single one.